Link Academy. Today we want to look into line problem. As you can see the figure at the right corner of the screen. Our first task here is to get the dimension. The dimension given here is 90, diameter of what? 90, right? So now let's start that. Let's establish the diameter 90 and let's see how we can solve that problem. Now my first task is to what? Draw a vertical line. Let's say at this point, vertical line. Let's see, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one. Right? This is my center line, right? So draw a vertical line upward. Simply draw a vertical line upward to get its center point, right? So let's take this my center point, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one. I have this. Now let's say this is my center point. So the center point. Now the circle there, the diameter is going to be what? 90. So half of 90 will give me 45. So I'll measure 45. That is 4.5 on my meter rule. Now this is my meter rule, right? 4.5 from this point here to this point is 4.5, right? So I'll take it at this point, draw my circle with a thick line, I have this. As you can see, my circle. Now my next task here is to what? As you can see the figure, after my center line is there, my vertical line and center line is already created. Now there's an angle. You can see that angle of 45 degrees. So just take your 45 degree set square. I mean this man here. I mean this. Take this. I think you know this very well. 45 degree set square. So you take it this way. Let us pass through the center point. This point here. Right? So then draw a faint line. As you can see, the first faint line. Then take it to the second part too. Draw another faint line. So it simply means from here to here has an angle of what? 45. From here to here, 45. Likewise, here to here, 45. So all each angle are what? 45. Now my next task here is to simply take my compass, right? At this point, take my compass at this point, right? So extend it to this point here. Make sure it's touching this point here, right? This point here. So just taking it this way. You can see that I'm taking it. So I have this. Similarly, come up this way. So you have it. As you can see, make sure you're taking it. It's meant to be taken. I have this. Now my next task now is to what? Draw the other part, the other one. So I've drawn this one. Another one is coming like this. So how do I get that? Simply take your pin or compass at this point. So at that point, so get it to this point. You can see that. So thick line, right? At that other point here, thick line. So I have this figure. Now let's dimension them, please. So found this video helpful? Kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Welcome to WAEC Academy.